that when you take a piece of bread and then you put the chocolate spread on it? Yes, that. Just better, higher quality and healthier. First of all, we don't want to eat something that crumbles. It just makes a mess. Second, we don't want to eat anything that contains gluten. Grains, that's a bird food. And we want to eat fresh food. Every fresh bread was actually made with grains that were harvested 2 to 3 years earlier. So it can't be really fresh, and we want to eat fresh produce. As for the spread, we don't want to eat something that was made from fermented seeds, cacao, with added sugar and cow's milk. No. We want to eat a spread made of whole, fresh fruit. All the ingredients with measures can be found on my website. I am leaving the link in the description of this video. Peel the zucchinis, slice the zucchinis on a mandolin. Place the zucchini slices onto the dehydrator trays and dehydrate them at 48 Celsius, that is 118 Fahrenheit degrees, for about 3 hours. When it is sunny and warm, you can sun dry the zucchinis. While the zucchini slices are being dehydrated, make the date spread. Remove the pits from the dates. Place the dates, carob powdered and filtered water into the blender. Blend these ingredients into a date spread. Place the spread into a bowl. Remove the zucchini slices from the dehydrator. Spread the date spread onto the dehydrated zucchini slices. Enjoy! Because when it comes to your health and what you eat, seek only for the best. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course comment down below. If you want to peek into my daily life, just follow me on my Instagram profile or on other social medias, all under Health Glows. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards. Keep glowing. Bye bye.